Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Alvin here. So today in this video, I will be talking about the single page applications, and some of you may have heard about the SPA and MPA, which stands for SPA stands for single page application, and MPA stands for multi-page application. Which are two types of applications that we developers build in the software development. What does these two means, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of these two, and which one is better than another? Through this video, I will be talking deep about the single page application and multi-page application, and that more the things that a beginner can understand in a way that a beginner can understand. Let's get begin. Let's see what is a single page application and also multi-page application. Before that, we need to know about the software applications, or what is a web application is. Okay, web application can be built using so many stacks and domains like Django and Node.js or Golang and so many and many more. So, the single page and multi-page applications are two types of applications that uh, contains the several advantages and limitations as their own advantages and limitations. Let's begin by multi-page applications. As we all know that people who are work more with template engines are dealing with the multi-page application, because as you all know that a page means that or a page refers to as a HTML page or a HTML document, which is refers to as a page in case of web development. And also in terms we say single page applications means, or multi-page applications means, or each page is a HTML document in the case of single page and multi-page applications. The multi-page application, as the name suggests, the application contains so many HTML documents or multiple pages, or each pages are each documents or each HTML document. People who are working with the template engines like EJS, Pug, and HBS, they are working with the multi-page applications, which contains so many HTML pages or HTML documents within their repository. These applications are known as multi-page applications, and these are contains individual or these multi-page applications are dealing with server-side rendering, because the each time the user need a page, or you want to see something details in the web page, the user need to send a request back to the server, and the server responds with an HTML page. Okay, this is called server-side rendering, and whenever the user need to see something, or want to show some results, or want a new page, or want to see a new part of the portion of the page, the user sends a request back to the backend or the server, and the server responds with an HTML page. So this HTML page is completely rendered at the server, and it is sent back to the client side. So the browser or the client can simply show it on the user side or in the browser. This is called server side or the multi-page application. So which is a type of application, web application, which contains so many pages or multiple pages, or which contains using template engines, built using template engines. So these are called multi-page applications. And when we talk about the disadvantage of is that because each time whenever the it contains so many HTML pages, and it reloads the page every time the user send a request back to the server. That's a major disadvantage I feel in working with the EJS or the multi-page application. Whenever the user needs information from the server, it made a request back to the server, and the server responds with the HTML page. There made a refresh of the web page. And that's about the multi-page application, and which is more SEO friendly, or search engine optimization are more compatible with the multi-page applications, because the server is completely, or the server completely render the HTML page from the server, not in the browser. So the completely rendered HTML page is sent back to the client, and the client can easily show the web page in the user side. So that's all about multi-page application. And when we are talking about single page application, so currently I'm dealing with the single page applications. So now I am working with the React, and React applications are single page applications because, as the name suggests, in multi-page applications we contain multiple HTML documents, as I said. So when in the case of React applications or single page applications, it only contains one HTML page. So you may have some doubts like how applications can run with only one HTML page. So that's the beauty of single page applications, because the single page applications are run only with one HTML page. So as it has only one HTML page, so that it won't prompt the web page to be refreshed in any activity of the user. So the browser is not get refreshed only all the but in there's a disadvantage is that the data only the initial load time of the application maybe take little bit long, because as the it only it contains the client side rendering instead of the server side rendering, because all the components in case of single page application we called every piece of the or the parts of the application as a component. So all the components should be downloaded before the application is getting started. So the initial load time of the application may be a little bit longer as compared to the multi-page applications. And in the case of uh, and after that the single page application in what we say in that we only contain one HTML page, and we have several parts of components of the means parts of the web pages, and we uh, replace each and every one as per the root changes. And whenever the user go to it only communicate with the backend only for the data, not for an HTML page. So that makes the single page application much more faster than multi-page application, but it is less compatible with the SEO because the each and every time the server or the pages change or the components change, the browser need to render that in the client side instead of the server, and there take a less time even though it is not that much SEO friendly as compared to the multi-page application. And each and both of them, single page and both multi-page applications, have their own advantages and limitations. So that's all about today's tech seminar. Thank you for watching the video.